Hey guys, it's Joanie from simplelivingmama.com, and this is kitchen decluttering part 2. So the first two areas that we are going to tackle is this drawer with all of these cords. This is where we keep all of our electrical cords for our devices. And then the next drawer we're going to tackle is the junk drawer. Now these are the two biggest challenges in the kitchen. They end up taking me at least an hour with several different interruptions going on just to tackle these two drawers. So come along with me and watch me get these two drawers cleaned up. I'm going to continue to just kind of talk a little bit about what I did here with this junk drawer. As you could see before, it was a total disaster. I mean, this is truly our junk drawer. Anything small that doesn't really have a home anywhere else ends up thrown in here. So what I decided to do was I went by my rules of purge and then categorize. So I took everything out of this drawer and I categorized items as best I could because, yeah, there's a lot of stuff in here. I don't even know what it is. So I put all the pens and the pencils together. I put stuff to hang things up in one container. Batteries over here, I have lens cleaners here, and then in these smaller containers, I just have odds and ends, screws, safety pins, and little knickknacks. My kids like to take apart electronics, and so I just put that stuff in here, some stuff they've been working on. And it still looks like a disaster, but I think we're on the right track. This is everything I pulled out that does not go in this drawer, that was in the drawer. And I've already thrown away several items that weren't supposed to be in here either. And it's at least more manageable than it was. And things are corralled and categorized a lot better than they were. Now, this is always going to be a junk drawer, so it's going to look junky, but I definitely think that we are on the right track, at least, with this drawer. Guys, so this is the other drawer that I was really dreading tackling. It is our electronics drawer, and it still looks a hot mess, but I got two bins in here, one to corral these wires over here, and then one to corral the short wires, and then all of the plug-in things and the battery packs. To be honest, this is something else. Like, we are a family of 8, and I didn't realize it, but we do have tons of electronics. We have headphones for everybody, tablets of some sort for the kids to use during their tablet time, cord. Everything came with a cord. And I don't even know what all of these cords are for. And I didn't want to just start throwing stuff away, because I know the minute that I just start chunking stuff, people are going to be like, Mom, what happened to this cord? Or Mom, I need this cord. And I'm just going to be like, uh-oh, I'm pretty sure I got rid of it. So I just tried to corral all this as best I could. Maybe later on when my husband has time, we can just go through this together and get rid of unnecessary cords. That would be great. I tried to do the toilet paper roll hack, but I don't have very many toilet paper rolls right now. So I've only got 3 of those separated. I've seen where people have used binder clips to separate these, zip ties. That's something that we're going to have to try to do later. But at least they're not all just thrown in the drawer. Now, I do have my foil, Ziploc bags, and then some plastic wrap in here as well. And that's what I keep in this drawer. But this is our charging station. This is where everything gets charged. So this is where we keep all of the wires and everything. So doing those 2 drawers took me over an hour, because I've had a lot of interruptions, having to sit down and nurse the baby and do all of that stuff. So I still have every other cabinet to do in the kitchen, and I'm going to get to those. so that is where I ended my kitchen decluttering. I still need to go through all of those plastic storage containers. I'm going to have to do that on a different day, as well as showing you guys what is in my island. This stuff gets gone through on a pretty regular basis. This is where I keep all of our silverware, and the second drawer is where we keep lunch boxes and extra jugs and water bottles, and then the bottom drawer is full of kids' cups and kids' plates. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.